In this problem statement, we just have to find out sum of elements or numbers which is by default present in an array, right? So we need to apply an approach. In this approach, we will try to create a method, and in this method, we'll try to pass a parameter with array, and then after we'll try to create a variable called sum. In the sum variable, we'll initialize it by using 0 because without initialization, sometimes we are not getting the result correctly. So then after we'll try to use looping statement, or we'll try to apply a traverse. So once I will traverse, definitely the value will be incremented, like from its initial value to the end value, and will be added with the sum. End of the day, we'll try to get the sum of all the numbers which we have set in the array. So let's try to solve this problem, team. Let me navigate it to Eclipse window, and here we have been working with 2025 project, and I'll try to create a new class and giving the name of a class as Day-5. I try to add your main method, and here we are going to create a method as we have already understood the approach. So one thing I have not covered here, that is like what is the time complexity of our program or the method. The time complexity of our code will be a big O of n, because n number of elements will try to add here, right? So I have mentioned it, and here are the inputs, and now we need to get the output. In short, we will try to get the sum of all the numbers. And let me try to create a method here. Public static void. I give the name of a method as find sum, okay, of elements, like giving the related name always. And here we'll try to pass an array and give the name of the array as array itself, right? And here we'll try to create a variable, like we are trying to declare initialize a variable called sum, right? And here we'll try to give the name as sum equals 0. And now we are traversing, right? We try to traverse from initial value to the end. So I can use your for loop for integer I equals 0, I less than array dot length, as already we have applied in our previous problem statements. And here I can perform the sum plus equals array of I, right? And now we are trying to print out sum in the console. So simply I need to write here statements is out sum, right? So here we have completed our user defined method. Now we are going to call this method in main method. So what actually the input they have given? They have given 1 to 5, right? So we are just trying to get the result of all these elements would be 15 only. So let me create an array here. I can give the name as value, and here we'll try to give the value as they have mentioned there, right, as should go. Now I try to call this method here, control space. In auto suggestion you are getting the name of a method correctly, and now need to save this, right? So here we didn't find any kinds of compile error, but let's try to and check whether we are getting expected result or not. So run as Java application, and you can see here we have got 15 as a result in console, and what they have given here 15 only. So we have solved this problem. I hope the series of problem statement and Java programming will help you in your learning, and it will be a course of enhancing your skill in programming. If you liked all these videos, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, share with your friends and colleagues, and try to get the advantage of it. For further queries, you can just write your thought or your questions in in comment box. So whenever I will get time, I'll try to respond. Thank you and have a great day.